We got some good news for Zilliqa, and in today's video I want to go and explain you everything that there is to know for the upcoming week in the Zilliqa ecosystem. And if you are a Zilliqa supporter, leave a like, subscribe to the channel down below. Let me know in the comments your thought of Zilliqa and how it is doing, and also answer the question at the end of the video down in the comments below, because I do want to have a nice conversation with you all. But with that said, we jump straight onto the video without wasting any more time, and we are over here on KuCoin. Now, there are some good things that I do want to go and talk about, and one of these was the price action that we've seen Zilliqa in the past couple of days. This is on the hourly base, so every 24 candle is a day, but we can go on the 12 hours. Actually, 12 hours is a bit too much, but we can do with it. So the one thing that I do want to go and notice is how we made this pattern over here, and Zilliqa, when there was the breakout for what Bitcoin was doing with the price movement, we did break above this support line, and we then tested once again on the 12 hours with a big drop over here, but we've only been inside this pattern once again for less than 12 hours. We can go on the 4 hours, and we've seen it over here. It's approximately 12 hours just in correct time, and then we've seen another nice pump in the price over here, and this is one of the first sentiment that I've got that Zilliqa is potentially has already bottomed down, and the whole market on itself has potentially bottomed down. We've seen this on the Bitcoin chart over here, which we went above. We just touched it for a little bit, as we're able to go and see here with this price action. We touched it and then we stayed above it, so we could potentially be seeing the end of the bear market or the beginning of a little upward trend toward the 17, then going back down to 16. But I think we've seen the bottom in a way that these patterns over here, also Zilliqa, we know that the the altcoins do suffer a little bit more. Like XCAD has been suffering a little more than what Zilliqa is doing on the Zilliqa ecosystem. Matic, on the other hand, has been performing outstandingly well. Also Luna Classic has been performed well with this nice pump and then going on a downward trend, but we see that every of these coins are in a little bit of a downward trend, and Zilliqa is standing there nicely on the side. So I'm very impressed with what Zilliqa is achieving right now within this market situation, within the price situation, with Bitcoin falling below 17,000, having a bit of a drop, but not too much. Let's see how it tests, but this was the one thing that I am very interested. Now, the other thing that I want to go and talk about is the social media presence and what's happening online. Zilliqa has not been trading, which is not the best thing to, to have, but it's not been trading recently within the Twitter ecosystem. But there is also, there's also a few things that are good to mention. We've seen on the Zilliqa monthly newsletter here a lot of mentions about XCAD, which is very good news. On the ecosystem on itself, XCAD takes up a lot of the space in this article, has been listed on Bitfinex, announcements issuance of fan token, which will come a video covering that, previous new plugin play NFTs, XCAD network shares first look at update roadmap, XCAD network announced a new CLO, which has been announced, and you can go and check it out on their Twitter. And so we can see that XCAD does be mentioning a lot of this mention has been very good, and XCAD is driving the Zilliqa ecosystem as well as other projects, but it is going well, as well as the game Web3 world that, they did reach 2,500 account milestone, which is very nice to see, even though it is an open beta and it is only on available on PC, on Windows laptop, and I'm not able to play. That's why you haven't seen videos. Otherwise, I want to go and stream this. Let me know down in the comments below. I want to go and stream Web3 War on a daily basis. Let me know your comments down below whether I should do it or not. I am waiting for them to open up to Windows devices, and I got a MacBook, I got iOS, as you're able to go and see here. So unfortunately I'm not able to play yet, but we got some good news. The milestone is there, the account creator is there, so 2,500 potential player already is very nice to see. The other thing is the Zilliqa situation within Twitter, and we've seen a lot of potentials with XCAD and the CLO that they're starting to offer, the update that they've done the Zilbridge update, so that is good to see. As we're seeing here, they were undergoing a software upgrade. We asked that Zil swap users to retrain from using Zilbridge during this time, so very good news that has been successfully implemented. In a nutshell, I think the price of this token, the price of Zilliqa recently, is been doing really well. Remember, we got XCAD, we got a lot of other projects that are out there, and we got a new map as well, as we're able to go and see here on the Zilliqa ecosystem, which is the Bazaar map demo. Let's take the audio out, but we're able to go and see that if you have not been playing yet, there is a new map which I want to go and take you on this channel with a nice live stream. But we are missing the players, which is the only thing that Zilliqa is missing right now. They do have 2,500 accounts created, sorry, but we're able to go and see here there is not much players, there's not many people that, you know, kind of like what Call of Duty could be with a team deathmatch that you're able to go and play on everyday sort of basis. So this is what's happening right now with the Zilliqa ecosystem, but everything is working well, the price is going good, the Metapolis also events and updates are coming along. Yeah, they did not mention anything about it, but it is coming along and the updates are there for what Metapolis, Zilliqa, XCAD are. So the whole Zilliqa ecosystem on itself, I feel like it's running good, it's doing great things, it's doing, you know, a lot of important updates and a lot of important information. The price wise, you know, we saw it. It is not skyrocketing, it is not going parabolic, but still it is good to see that Zilliqa is holding strong, it is there, is holding its ground and is keep on developing, yet a little bit less than what I hope it would be, in terms that I wish Zilliqa would implement more updates on a day-to-day basis, where it could bring more information, more new, not even a newsletter, but more information to the community, what is going on, what's happening, this and that. So I think that is one of the things that I would be more conscious about making within the Zilliqa ecosystem, but on the other side, it is going pretty well. I hope you did enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao guys!